The world's people have spoken. Their message is clear. Time is running out. The world has become so fragile that we cannot subject the earth to the tortures we can now inflict upon it. Look at this polar bear. The Earth is hurtling towards a climate danger zone, and scientists say greenhouse gas emissions are to blame. But what are greenhouse gases and how do they contribute to climate change? They are gases in the Earth's atmosphere, which create a blanket that traps heat. While they allow sunlight to pass through them, they prevent the heat that the sunlight brings from leaving the atmosphere. Similar to how a greenhouse works, ultimately, this is what causes global temperature to rise. Carbon dioxide, water vapor, and methane are all examples of greenhouse gases. The amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere now is 50 higher than it was in 1900. And not only are we piling in more and more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, but we are chopping down the forests of the earth at a great rate, and the forests themselves are the most efficient consumers of carbon dioxide that there on earth.
In this video, we are going to simulate the greenhouse effect model where it shows carbon dioxide gases effect on the ice melting. In this model, 2 containers are filled with 1 kg of ice and each of the containers will be covered with transparent plastic wrap. The plastic wrap will represent the atmosphere layer of the earth. Container A represents the greenhouse effect with the presence of carbon dioxide gas, meanwhile container B represents greenhouse effect without the presence of carbon dioxide gas. After 30 minutes, the final temperature of the ice and air inside the container are observed and recorded. So, this is the result of the experiment. Here, we can see that there are the difference between the temperature in container A and B. Thus, this shows ice in container A melts faster than container B, showing the impact of carbon dioxide gas. This is just only for 30 minutes. Imagine what will happen to the Earth if the greenhouse effect continues to keep on going.
In summary, escalating greenhouse gas levels, particularly carbon dioxide, contribute significantly to global warming. Addressing this requires transitioning to renewable energy, promoting energy efficiency, and supporting tree planting. Crucially, initiating action hinges on spreading awareness. Therefore, an informative campaign through various media including social platforms and incorporating climate change education into school curriculum can build a robust foundation for change, inspiring meaningful actions at all levels. Small change can make a big difference. We can start with ourselves by clearing our emails that contribute to the carbon dioxide emissions.